Our sturdy and lightweight grab rails are built to maximize safety and durability that goes beyond the industry standard. Hansen International's grab rails are built to support, sustain, and improve safety with a large selection of features, sizes, and finishes to choose from. These rails are available with our various reflective tape inserts and are offered in 6-foot and 12-foot sticks. Our 4000 series is available lit or non-lit with SC3 rated chrome stanchions or black stanchions. The knurled aluminum rail is available in a clear or black anodized finish with chrome or black stanchions, lit or unlit versions. And our stainless steel rail is available non-lit. Our dual lit rail is DOT approved for marker lighting and is available as a complete rail assembly with stanchions and gaskets. Hansen's industry-proven grab rails are engineered with safety and accessibility in mind. To learn more about how we can offer an innovative solution to you, call today.